Dry goods, review and support, speak with inabot ng buwan sa pagkain.
Kasya ba sa'yo yan? Ha? Kasya yan sa'yo?
Yes.
Put it on, put it on, put it on. Hi, Shabby. Shabibi, yay! If you happy, 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 Shabibi, Shabibi. If you happy, 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 Shabibi. If you happy, 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 clap your hands. Clap your hands, Shabi. If you're happy, just wave your hands. Wave your clap. Kanina clap. Ginawa wave. Ginawa wave, ginawa clap. Iba din talaga si Shabibi. Si baby, Shabibi, sama ni Habibi, Shabibi, kasama si Sam Sam. If you're happy and you know, just clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, just clap your hands. Ang galing naman talaga ni Shabibi. May ano lang, meron lang photo bomber sa likod. Stand up, Shabibi. Stand up, please. Stand up. I know. Don't do that to Shabibi. Help her. Help. Hold in the hands. In the hands. In the hands of Shabibi. Hands of Shabibi. Come on. Hold hands. Hold hands of Shabibi. Okay. Oh, hold mo siya, Shabibi. Hold mo yung kamay ni Shabibi. Oh. Ah! Hold mo yung kamay ni Shabibi. Ay! Kaloka talaga. Bata patutan na to. Shabibi, Shabibi, Shabibi. Shabibi, Shabibi, Shabibi. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Huh? What are you doing? Oh. Look for Shabi.
Wash your
You wash me?
Wash your hands.
You wash me? Why are you washing me? I smell awful?
Nah.
Yeah.
Ew.
How dare you two? Huh? Grabe kayo sa akin, ha? What's that, Shabi? What's that? I know. What are you doing to Shabibi? Love, love, Shabibi. Love, 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 Shabibi. Love, 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 Shabibi. Opo. Ay! Samantha! Do that to Shabby. Shabby is baby eh. Oh! Hi! Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. It's a spider. I'm never going back. The past is in the past.
Norby.
Problema? Ano po yung problema? Ano po yung problema ni Shabby? Are you hungry na?
What?
Are you hungry na?
Okay.
Are you hungry na, Shabby? Hungry na si Shabby. Oh, you want water? Saan tubig niya? Balong. You want water?
Yes.
Gutom na siya.
Water. Drink water. Drink water.
Hungry na talaga siya. Oh. Hungry na siya eh. Hungry yung poet na siya eh. What happened? Pinainom ka na lang ng tubig ni Daddy kasi di pa luto yung ulam. Water lang muna daw. Ha, water lang muna. Oh. Salbahe si Daddy, no? Water lang muna eh. Oh. Drink water lang siya eh.
Pumunta ni Mama.
Hmm. Ay! Drink water lang muna. Drink water lang muna. Kasi di pa luto yung ulam. Ang tagal magluto ni Daddy. Pag nabasag yan, lagot tayo kay Mami. Hey! You don't listen! Pag nabasag dyan, papagalitan tayo ni Mami. Give it to me na. Give it to me. Slowly lang ha. Is that yummy? Yummy, yummy water? Wow! Galing naman, drinking water siya. Ang arte. Naku po, ang arte talaga. Give it to ate na. Come on, give it to ate. Come. Give it to ate na. Come on. And what happened?
Baro sabi. Baro sabi. Yan sa ulo.
Sadyang gutom na talaga siya. Are you hungry na? Oo. Hungry na siya eh. Sige na. Kakain na tayo. Hmm?
Ay, baka ni Momo yan. Ito. Ito. Kat mo na lang.